Hello guys, what's up? Once again, Palaboy OFW here. So for today's vlog mga Caps, so mukhang ito ay concept photo ni Stel ng SB19 para sa dam. Based sa aesthetics, may dark avant-garde at ethereal vibes ang image. Ang paggamit ng mga kadena at glass-like elements ay nagbibigay ng dramatic at symbolic touch. Parang may tema ng restraint, struggle, or transformation. Ang lighting at color grading ay cinematic. May deep shadows at moody tones na nagpapalakas sa enigmatic feel ng larawan. Yung pose at expression ni Estelle ay intense at emotive, bagay sa artistic direction ng concept. Sa pangkalahatan, powerful at striking ang imagery, halatang pinag-isipan at may deeper meaning. Ikaw, Caps, anong impression mo sa concept photo nito ni Estelle? So, napakaganda, no? Halos lahat ng apat. Isa na lang ang hindi pa nilalabas na concept photo, no? Si Ken. Si Ken na lang inaantay natin mga Caps. Tapos basahin natin yung mga reaksyon ng mga 18 members sa Facebook community official ng SB19. He is a masterpiece. What an stunning visual. Stelle is poised with confidence and strength. Love this. Ito pa. His power vocals and mesmerizing high-pitched voice can shatter glasses. Wow, lalim na. Was that the concept of that broken glass or bottle? Or is there even deeper meanings behind it? Can't wait to know the stories behind their concept photos. The budget for this photo is giving fire. So, kitang-kita naman natin na pinaghandaan at ginastosan yung photoshoot ng mga to. At ang creative production nito ay matitindi. Talagang malupit sa paghahanda nila sa February 28 release ng Dam, no, ng single nila. So abangan natin yan mga kapatid. Please comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyo sabihin tungkol sa concept photo neto na Estelle. Yun lang po. Palaboy OFW here, PBK 2.0, kasama natin si Rapi Sam Steel and mga Caps 18 worldwide. Mabuhay, ingat kayong lahat.